Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Danielleish. If you've never been here before, it's nice to meet you. Happy Sunday, you guys. Hopefully I'll get this uploaded by tonight. If not, I filmed this video on Sunday. My house is a mess. And I've been talking about the fact that I wanted to do a real life channel. It's important to realize that life is messy. What I'm going to be doing today is cleaning my room, our room, my husband and I's room. Basically, we're moving in a few weeks and we have way too much crap, and most of it can probably get thrown away, but I already have donation bags going and everything. I usually try to drop off the clothes that I don't wear anymore off at a Goodwill or a Salvation Army. I'm just tired of having so much clutter. I'm tired of having so much stuff, and today you're basically just gonna watch me get rid of everything. It's so exciting, I know. I'm just gonna put on some music and I'm just gonna start cleaning, because at this point now I'm just wasting time. If you guys want to see this, just keep on watching. Two rules when cleaning is you have to open the windows first. It sounds like a dumb rule, but I got all my windows open. I have lots of natural light in here. The second rule of thumb is just to make your bed first, because once those two things are done, it's you're already okay. Everything else looks small, because visually the biggest thing in the room is finished. Alexa, play Chill Hits from Spotify.
Chill Hits from Danielle's Spotify.
Cleaning time. That looks so much better. That makes me so happy. Okay, my bed is made. My blinds are open. If you can hear music in the background, my husband and his buddies are in a band. A new band. They're still writing songs and things. So that's what that is. But I'm in here doing me time. And now that my bed is done, I think I'm just gonna go around my room and literally get rid of all the little stuff. Big stuff is finished, except for my laundry. I'm one of those people who just leaves that to the very end, but I feel like everybody does that. So I'm just gonna start cleaning up all the little things and throwing little things away. Some trash is different for everybody, so if you see things I throw away and you're what? Why would you? It just means I don't need it anymore and there's nothing else that I can do with it. So I'm just gonna go throw away all the stuff I don't need and find a place for the stuff that I do. Alexa, resume music. This in my drawer, and now starts the saga of all the things you find when you're cleaning. I got it. This is the box to my Beats Solo headphones for the gym. My husband bought these for me for my birthday, I think. Birthday or Christmas, I don't know, but I love them. They're rose gold, they're super cute. I'm really bad with boxes. I don't know what to do with packaging because the item doesn't go in there anymore, but you feel maybe one day you'll still need the box. I don't know. What do I do with all this stuff? You have to eat snacks when you're cleaning. That's one of the rules of cleaning. Is you have to snack and you have to listen to music. Which I'm gonna do right now. Alexa, play Chill Hits on Spotify.
Chill hits from Danielle's Spotify.
Have you guys ever seen these things? If you've never seen them, it looks super weird. But they're like $1 at Walmart. And I bought it for my husband's Christmas stocking. But like it just, these little things like go like on your head, and it just feels like the best head scratch ever. Things you find when you're cleaning. It's one of those weird items I don't know what to do with though. It's not like a common household item. And things like this, like this is so cute. This is from when I was getting married, but like what do I do with it now? Alexa, play Chill Hits from Spotify.
Chill hits from Danielle's Spotify.
Okay, so my husband came in and he like poked his head in and he was like, and I was like, no! I realized that my camera had just stopped recording and that the SD card was full. So what I did was I had to upload all the things onto the computer, and now that's done and we have a new SD card. And in the meantime I just finished cleaning up the space that I was cleaning before, so I will show you guys what that looks like now. See? Super pretty. I love it. So cute. This down here on the bottom, that thing there is actually our wedding book we got from our photographer. It's enclosed because it's so precious to us, and then there's our guest book for our wedding. The rest of the greenery and stuff I actually got at Hobby Lobby. I freaking love Hobby Lobby. I actually got this entire entertainment thing at Hobby Lobby. So this is my cute little design. The florals right there are actually one of my bridesmaids bouquets that I created, which is pretty cool. So really all that's left in here is clothes, laundry stuff, which is super annoying. But for the most part, like everything's pretty clean and I'm happy with this. I feel like I was able to declutter a little bit just in our bedroom. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of a bedroom tour just so you can see kind of what we working with, and then we'll clean out my closet. That'll be super fun.
For the fun part, we are going to clean my closet.
My closet just needs some heavy organization. It's just not organized, and I think that that's the problem. So we're just gonna go through it real quick. Don't judge me. It's about to be cleaned. My closet gets kind of messy. So this is just trash because this is from Valentine's Day. I got some random socks and some chips and stuff from a trip that we took. Good old tampon box, more chips, dirty clothes, donation clothes, random shoes that are about to be organized, my work clothes, some of my jackets, and then of course a shoe rack that's not hanging and a dresser. This is me 100% putting myself out there, so don't give me beef for anything, because this is real life. basically we're just gonna start cleaning. I'm gonna take all the trash that's on the floor and put it in this bag because I don't need it. So we're gonna just get rid of that and clear out the floor, and that's just what we're gonna start with. Alexa, play Chill Hits from Spotify.
Chill hits from Danielle's Spotify.
Is just gonna come down to shoes. I think I just need to get my shoes organized, and the shoes that I don't wear anymore, they need to get donated because I've had way too many for way too long, and I literally need 0 of these. So shoes since high school. I'm 26 years old now. I literally have worn these for so many years. They are awesome shoes. I feel like they're just getting so torn up though, but I just can't let them go yet because I will still wear these, and they look so cute with bell bottoms. One day when these have completely fallen apart, I will get rid of them, but they're still holding strong right now, and until I can find a pair that's what I want and can replace these, I'm holding on to them. I love these shoes. These ones are so cute, but they're getting dirty. If anyone has any tips on how to clean suede, I would appreciate it, because these are so flippin' cute and they're so comfortable and they're Cole Haans and I love them, but they're just dingy now and I want to be able to clean them. Things that I didn't want anymore, that didn't fit me or whatever, and the donation thing, and then if I just had shoes that were completely tore up, I just put them in the trash. Like I said earlier in the video, my husband and I are moving, so the reason that I actually can't hang up this shoe rack is because of the bars. There's no room for me to fully clasp this on. So I'm gonna reload the shoes that I still am keeping into this, so that when we do move in a couple weeks, I can just pick it up and take it with me, and I don't have to have my shoes all over the place. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then we'll just start going through my clothes. Are we gonna show everybody our clean closet? What do you think? Yeah? All right, let's do it. So I just decided to just go through my entire closet and to just clean and clean and clean and just organize and get rid of things, and I'll kind of show you what I've done. This is all trash. All of it. All trash. This is my donation bag. This is the new and improved closet. So I'm going to show you. Closet tour. Alright. Tell them hi. Hello, I'm Pepper. There we go. Nice to meet you too. made a ton of progress today. I got rid of a ton of stuff. I'm donating a lot. The last things that I really have to do just in this room is just my laundry. All the clothes that you saw, that's most of my clothes, but I still have some that are dirty, and then I also have some that, because who actually takes them and folds them and puts them away, I have that to do as well. So, but other than that, I feel really good about the way everything turned out. I just have to put it all away, and then I'll do my bathroom next. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna film for today. I'm sure this video is like literally so long. But if you stayed with me through the end, how long does it take you to clean your room? Do you get rid of things? Are you a minimalist? Do you have a ton of crap like me? Yeah, let's just start a conversation about whatever. But yeah, that is gonna be all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!